Before we begin, take a deep breath. If life has ever broken you, if you've ever stared at the ceiling wondering where everything went wrong, or if you've ever wanted to begin again, then this message is for you. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe. Because here, we don't just listen to Stoic wisdom, we live it. Now, let's begin your new start. There comes a time when silence screams louder than noise, when your reflection in the mirror feels like a stranger. You look around, the world is chasing pleasure, validation, and distraction. But you, deep inside, you crave peace. You don't want a restart that begins with applause. You want one that begins in stillness. You want a life built not on impulse, but on intention. That's where Stoicism begins, not in temples or books, but in the heart of a man who's ready to rebuild himself from ashes. 1. Accept what you cannot control. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stop fighting what's beyond you. The weather, people's opinions, your past. None of these belong to you. Peace starts the moment you say, 'I'll do my best,' and let life handle the rest." 2. Focus on what you can control. Your thoughts, your choices, your reactions. These are your true possessions. A wise man doesn't waste energy on storms he can't stop. He learns to walk through them calmly. 3. Begin your day with silence. Before touching your phone or facing the noise of the world, sit in stillness. Close your eyes and whisper, "Today, I choose peace." That 1 minute of awareness will guard your mind all day. 4. Seek clarity, not comfort. Comfort keeps you where you are. Clarity shows you where you must go. When you step into discomfort with purpose, you grow beyond the limits of your fears. 5. Be okay with being misunderstood. The Stoics walked alone, not because they were proud, but because truth is a quiet road. You don't need the world to understand your silence. As long as your soul knows its purpose, walk on. 6. Forgive, but never forget the lesson. Forgiveness isn't weakness. It's strength in disguise. When you forgive, you free your heart from chains others tried to put on you, but never forget what it taught you. Pain is the best teacher of wisdom. 7. Let go of validation. The world today lives for likes, views, and applause, but the Stoic lives for truth. When you stop performing for others, you finally start living for yourself. 8. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Motivation fades when you're tired. Discipline whispers, "Do it anyway." It's discipline that separates dreamers from doers. 9. Master your emotions. Emotions are waves, let them pass. Feel them fully, but don't drown in them. Control over your emotions is control over your destiny. 10. Turn pain into power. Every scar carries wisdom. Don't hide from your wounds, learn from them. The Stoic doesn't say, "Why me?" He says, "What is this trying to teach me?" 11. Guard your time like treasure. Seneca wrote, "It's not that we have a short life, but that we waste much of it." Spend your hours on what matters: love, growth, learning, and peace. Time wasted on gossip, regret, or revenge is time stolen from your soul. 12. Don't chase perfection, pursue progress. Perfection is a cage built by fear. Progress is the road built by courage. Every small improvement is proof you're moving forward, even if no one notices. 13. Speak less, observe more. The more you talk, the less you learn. Silence sharpens perception. Pay attention. Most people reveal their truth not through words, but through their energy. 14. The world owes you nothing. Stop waiting for fairness. Life isn't built that way. But that's good news, because it means you can build anything. No one owes you peace. You must create it. 15. Detach from outcomes. Work hard, but don't cling to results. You control effort, not destiny. When you stop obsessing over the outcome, you unlock freedom. 16. Walk alone when necessary. Some paths are walked best in silence. Loneliness isn't a curse. It's a test of your strength. Great men are often misunderstood because they walk a road others can't see. 17. Replace complaints with gratitude. Every complaint weakens your spirit, but gratitude, even in small things, turns struggle into growth. Say, Alhamdulillah, praise be to God, for every breath, every morning, every challenge that made you stronger. 18. Pain is temporary. Wisdom is forever. Every time life hurts you, it gives you a choice, to break or to build. Let every hardship make you softer in heart, but stronger in spirit. 19. Practice humility. The higher you rise, the more gentle you must become. Arrogance blinds, but humility opens doors that pride never could. 20. Be content with less. The Stoics taught that happiness comes from needing less, not having more. Luxury fades, peace lasts. True wealth is waking up with a calm heart. 21. Control your words. Words are arrows. Once released, they cannot return. Speak slowly, and only when your words can build, not break. 22. Treat everyone with respect, not because they deserve it, but because you do. A Stoic knows how you treat others reveals who you are, not who they are. 23. Never compare your journey. Comparison kills joy. You're not behind. You're just on your own divine timeline. Be patient. What's yours will always find you. 24. Always return to reason. Emotions can blur truth, but reason brings you back home. When in doubt, pause, breathe, think, then act with wisdom. 25. Live today as if it's your last, but learn as if you'll live forever, because every sunrise is a chance to start again. The past cannot be changed, but the future is always waiting for your courage. The Stoics never promised comfort. They promised meaning. They didn't say life would be easy. They said it would be worth it. Your new start doesn't begin when circumstances change. It begins when your mind changes. When you stop saying, I wish it were easier, and start saying, let me become stronger. The man who masters himself fears nothing, not rejection, not failure, not even loss, because he knows peace isn't found in control. It's found in surrender. So today, right now, make a promise to yourself. You will live with intention. You will speak with truth. You will walk with discipline. And you will rise every time life tries to pull you down, because your new start begins now. And if this message touched your heart, subscribe, because this journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of your Stoic rebirth.